Hi everyone, welcome to DataScene. In this video, we will learn how to remove the duplicates values in three different methods in Excel. Here we have a dataset that includes the name list, and as you can see, some names are written more than once. So let's start with the first method. The first method is pretty simple. Select the range of list and then go to the data section and then click the remove duplicates. Choose a list and this is the full name list, and then you will see the duplicate values are removed. The second method is the using the advanced filter option. So I'm choosing a range of the list again and then click data section and then choose advanced filtering function. And you will see the list range will be selected, and when you click the unique records only and then click the OK, you will see the only unique values in the filtered area. In the third method, we will use a formula that calls a unique function. This formula returns the only unique values in the selected range. So I click the cell like here and then type the unique function and then select range of list and close the parentheses and then click the enter. So you will see the unique values in another columns. So these are the methods how we remove the duplicated values in Excel. Please subscribe to the channel and see you in next video.